Question. Which country is the largest producer of apples? Answer is China. Question. Which country is the largest producer of onions? Answer is China. Question. Which country is the largest producer of grapes? Answer is China. Question. Which country is the largest producer of oranges? Answer is Brazil. Question. Which country is the largest producer of bananas? Answer is India. Question. Which country is the largest producer of rice? Answer is China. Question. Which country is the largest producer of palm oil? Answer is Indonesia. Question. Which country is the largest producer of cotton? Answer is China. Question. Which country is the largest producer of sugarcane? Answer is Brazil. Question. Which country is the largest producer of tea? Answer is China. Question. Which country is the largest producer of wheat? Answer is China. Question. Which country is the largest producer of coffee? Answer is Brazil. Question. Which is the largest producer of rubber in the world? Answer is Thailand. Question. Which city is known as the City of Gold? Answer is Johannesburg. Question. Which country is known as the country of copper? Answer is Zambia. Question. Which city is known as the Empire City? Answer is New York. Question. What is the name of the parliament in the USA? Answer is Congress. Question. Who is known as the Iron Lady? Answer is Margaret Thatcher. Question. When is World Postal Day observed? Answer is 9th October. Question. Which was the first country to send a human to the moon? Answer is USA. Question. Which is the capital of the United States of America? Answer is Washington, D.C. Question. Which is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Answer is Shimla. Question. Who was the first Indian woman to receive the Gyanpith Award? Answer is Amrita Pritam. Question. Which is the longest river of southern India? Answer is Godavari. Question. Which is the first country to give voting rights to women? Answer is New Zealand. Question. Which is the first national park established in India? Answer is Jim Corbett National Park. Question. In which year did Delhi become the capital of India? Answer is 1911. Question. Which city in India is known as the City of Golden Gate? Answer is Amritsar. Question. Who was the first Asian to win a Nobel Prize? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Question. Which city in India is called the City of Joy? Answer is Kolkata. Question. Where is the International Court of Justice located? Answer is The Hague. Question. How much of Earth's surface is covered by forests? Answer is 30%. Question. The study of development of embryo is called. Answer is embryology. Question. Which is the largest gulf in the world? Answer is Gulf of Mexico. Question. Which is the biggest lake in India? Answer is Chilika Lake. Question. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO located? Answer is Paris. Question. Which is considered as a hot spot of biodiversity in India? Answer is Western Ghats. Question. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Answer is Dadabhai Nauroji. Question. When is International Nelson Mandela Day observed? Answer is 18th July. Question. What is the motto of the Olympic Games? Answer is Faster, Higher, Stronger. Question. Which is the national heritage animal of India? Answer is Indian elephant. Question. Which city is known as the Steel City of India? Answer is Jamshedpur. Question. Who was the founder of the Gupta dynasty? Answer is Chandragupta I. Question. Which is the largest delta in the world? Answer is Ganges Delta. Question. What is the chemical name of vitamin D? Answer is calciferol. Question. What is the capital of Mizoram? Answer is Aswal. Question. Who is known as the Lion of Punjab? Answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Question. What is the national sport of China? Answer is table tennis. Question. When is the National Sports Day celebrated in India? Answer is 29th August. Question. When is the International Biodiversity Day observed? Answer is 22nd May.